Our planet is heating up, but why? Normally, the sun's heat reaches Earth and some of it escapes back into space.
But greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap heat, making the planet warmer. Burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests, and industrial activities release more greenhouse gases, increasing global temperatures.
This leads to rising sea levels, extreme weather, and disruptions to ecosystems and human life. But we can take action. Using renewable energy, reducing waste, and protecting forests can slow down global warming.